Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing to share with you guys, and I'm quite excited about this one because it is a pre-loved vintage handbag unboxing, and there's two of them. This is actually a video I'm doing in collaboration with Vintage Amour, who sell pre-loved vintage designer bags on Instagram. I typically don't really recommend Instagram sellers, but I do think Instagram is becoming quite a popular platform for selling items, so I would definitely encourage you to have a look at her Instagram. This one came in quite highly recommended by like Mel and Karen Britchick, who have done videos on her bags, and they are amazing. And I did have a look at her Instagram, and I do think she finds some bags that you can never find anywhere, and it's just insane. And the price I think is quite reasonable, because I have been looking on eBay and like even Rakuten and even Etsy, and these vintage bags are going up in price, especially like the saddlebag. I'm not sure if you guys know, but especially from Japanese consignment sellers, their prices are extortionate for this kind of bag. So I have been looking at other avenues, and I came across her website through, as I said, Mel and Karen, and yeah, she had some really great bags. So without further ado, let me share with you the bags that she has sent me, and it came in today, so I'm so excited. It comes in this DHL package. It's got my details, so I'm just gonna open it up. She was so lovely to communicate with, really fast responses. Her name's actually Navanath, so hi doll, if you're watching, thank you so much. I'm so excited. And she even sent it really like fast shipping so that I could film this video for you guys, because I've been pretty busy lately. So anyways, packaging is no joke. So what a mish. So I've taken off all the tape, but just a quick story. These bags I did actually select, and because these particular color combinations I have been looking for everywhere, because I was really specific about the colors that I really wanted to get, and she had both of them, and she was the only place that I could find them. So I'm really excited to share with you guys what it is. So opening the bag looks like this. So she popped it in just two dust bags, okay? Alright, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I love vintage handbag unboxings, like, alright, so I might start off with, I'll start off with this one. This one is highly influenced by Mel Soldera. You guys know I love her. Anything that she recommends that I buy, I basically do, so I blame her for this. But I mean, I have also been looking at this for a while. I remember the start of the year when Fendi was becoming really popular, and I thought about purchasing it. I like saw them retailing, I saw them selling for like $100 Australian, and now they're like $400 Australian. Like, how insane is that? But let me share with you the it is the Fendi baguette. Oh my gosh, how cute. Oh my gosh, where's the strap? I think it's in the pocket. Oh my gosh, yes. So I actually really wanted this colorway, which is more of like a taupe tan color, because I saw, what's her name? I saw Kiara. She's an Irish blogger, I believe, but she also has a YouTube channel. She makes great videos if you guys want to check it out. But she had a vintage Fendi, and I think it was in this exact colorway, and I loved it. I know that the Fendi Zucca print is really popular, but I actually really like the small Fs, and I prefer this colorway compared to the like Fendi Zucca print. But yeah, this is so stinking cute, you guys. What do you think? Oh my gosh. And it's such great condition, because you just have to be careful with these canvas bags, especially because they're cloth. They can like pull a little bit. So wow, this is so good. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I'm so happy about this. Oh my gosh, so first one so far so good. Like, how cute would it be with this outfit? You guys know these small shoulder bags are coming back into style, and I really like this print. I think it's sort of my favorite print. I like the I think this is called the Zucchino Zucchino print. It's just like the small FF rather than the Fendi FF, and then you can shorten this The strap is in really, really good condition. Like the strap is like a solid, thick strap. And this is the baguette. There is the Mama baguette as well. But I just chose the classic baguette because, you know, it's Fendi and the classic baguette is what they're about. But, oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. It is a soft canvas, so I'm just going to put some stuff in there and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, just like that. It is quite soft. I've seen some bags where they're a bit like more structured. I don't know if it's, you know, depends on the type of Fendi bag that you get, but I'm so stoked about this. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'm really, really happy with the condition. It comes in like this ruthenium sort of hardware, which is really nice as well. So that is my first one. That is her. So stoked about it. All right, and then the second one, I have been looking for this bag for a while. You guys can probably tell already from the shape, but it is another Dior saddlebags. These are going for like crazy money right now on eBay, so I really don't actually recommend that you purchase it from eBay. Check out Vintage Amour. She does sell it for pretty reasonable prices, and she finds like some really, really good colorways that, you know, I can never find. And you guys know I look pretty hard, so let me reveal to you guys my latest vintage Dior saddlebag. Here you go. Oh my gosh. Wow, so cute. Oh my, what do you guys think? Tan and tan, right? Can you tell I'm obsessed with this particular colorway? I love it. So this is my other Dior saddlebag. So I really, really wanted to get one in like the tan or like the burgundy. I really like that as well, but they're like really hard to come by. But I wanted a Dior saddlebag with like the gold hardware so I can wear it with gold outfits. I love the neutral color tones of this. Now this is a little bit more worn, like this has a bit more wear and tear, and you can sort of tell there. But, you know, she usually, like, she sent me pictures, so it's not something that I'm surprised with. But overall, though, you know, it's still in really, really good condition. I might try, I'll see how I go. I'm like this, because this is a lighter color than this, it will tend to sort of wear a bit more, I think. But overall, it's still in really, really good condition. Oh, she put a little present. That's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. She's put so many cute little trinkets in there. Oh, thank you. This is so adorable. This will be so cute during summer. I'm definitely going to wear them. They kind of remind me of like the Dior sort of friendship bracelets. So yeah, this is that. So there you are. That's the inside. I really, really love like the colorway of this. I love like the tan lining with the brown colors. So I'm so excited. Look, you guys, it's so cute. So this is it. Oh my gosh, how adorable. And then with like a brown pair of pants, or, you know, I don't know. Like, how cute is this? That is so adorable. So this is my latest pickups. This is my latest vintage bag additions. Let me know which one you guys like. I know they're very, very similar in the color tones, but you can just tell that I'm obsessed with this color palette right now. Even though it is summer, I think these colorways would work really, really nicely with like some jeans and like a white shirt. Like, that is my basic go-to outfit, and then just have like a statement designer bag like this. So cool. So if you haven't purchased yourself a Dior saddlebag yet and you really want to get one, definitely check out the Pre-Loved Market. There are still some places where you can get them for a decent price. I will put her Instagram link in the info bar. Go and check her out. Again, thank you so much for collaborating with me and for sending me these bags. They are so cute. If you want to see how I style them with my outfits day to day, check out my Instagram. I would love for you to give me a follow. If you like these types of videos, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do a vintage handbag collection, do let me know. This year I've been really happy with like some of my newest additions. As you can tell, I've been doing a few videos lately on them, but I'm always on the lookout for like really good designer, like vintage designer bags. So I'm probably gonna continue to add more. If you want to know where I got this jumpsuit from, it is from ASOS. I will put a link to it in the info bar, and also these hair clips are from ASOS. I am like repping ASOS right now. But yeah, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. If you are new here and you like these types of videos, please subscribe. I would love to have you back. And to all my fellow subscribers, thank you so much for joining me again. Hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I might just wear them now. There's one of them's an evil eye. Look how bright this yellow is. Wow. I mean, I don't normally wear these type of things, but I know that they're very in right now with like the friendship bracelets from Dior. So you know what? Let's just rock it. Let's just rock it. Oh my gosh, they're so cute together. Thank you. Look, how cute is that? How cute is that? That's so cute. All right. Okay.